everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you guys can get rid of dark circles. A lot of you all have actually asked me to make a video on this, so I will show you what I do, and I will also tell you how and why you get dark circles, so you guys have a little bit of knowledge about it. So let's get started. So the first very important point is that you could be having dark circles because you have lack of iron and B12 in your body. So when you have lack of iron in your blood, which is also called hemoglobin, it breaks down very easily, and hence you actually see dark circles under your eyes. So make sure you're taking iron supplements, or you are making sure that you are having food that is rich in iron. So in case you have tried everything for your dark circles and yet you have severe dark circles, it could be that it's genetic, it could be that somebody in your family has it, and usually it is because you have high level of melanin production and pigmentation under your eyes and low levels of collagen. So hence you have dark circles, but you have to constantly keep doing things, but you might not see a very good result. So the next point is very important, and these are the small things we do every day. The skin under our eyes is actually much thinner than the skin on our face. So make sure that you're not using a very harsh face wash, and if you are, then try not using it under your eyes. It could also be that you are dehydrated, so make sure that you drink a lot of water. You are not having too much caffeine that is dehydrating your body. It could also be sun exposure, so make sure that you are, when you apply sunscreen, apply a little bit under your eyes as well, or always make sure that you're covering yourself, or you are keeping your skin away from the harsh UVA and UVB rays. The last point, obviously you guys I'm sure know about it. It is because of lack of sleep. So when you get lack of sleep, all of the tissues and blood vessels actually start showing up, and that is why the skin around your eyes tends to look darker. So make sure that you get good sleep and you're not stressing too much. So I take a cucumber, I grate it really well so that I can get all the juice out of it. So I mix 1 teaspoon of potato juice, 1 teaspoon of cucumber juice, half a teaspoon of honey, and half a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. I mix this really well, and preferably keep this in the fridge so it really cools down. Potato juice is actually really nice for dark circles because it helps in nourishing the skin, as it has vitamin A, vitamin C and starch in it. Now cucumber juice actually has mild astringent properties that can lighten the skin around the eyes. Cucumber is also packed with vitamin K that helps in shrinking the capillaries and reducing the visibility of dark circles. The anti-inflammatory properties of honey helps to soothe the skin and helps the eye area to relax. Honey has natural bleaching properties that can help to lighten pigmentation. Now aloe vera gel has antioxidant and vitamin E in it, which helps to reduce the puffiness of the eyes and lightens the developed dark circles. So all you have to do is use this mixture and apply it regularly under the eyes, carefully like any moisturizer, and let it stay there for about 15 minutes before you wash it off. I try to do this at least 2 times a week, but I make sure that I use a very good under eye cream, and the one I'm using is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate. I apply this and I massage this really gently under my eyes. I like to move outwards to inwards and just massage it so that the product really penetrates into my skin and there's a bit of blood circulation with the massage. So definitely invest in a very good under eye cream, because this is gonna go a long way and it'll really help in moisturizing, nourishing and keeping dark circles away. So I hope this video was helpful. These points are also for men, so both of y'all can use this. Share this with anybody you think would actually benefit from this video who have dark circles. Give this video a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel because I will bring a lot of videos like this, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.